My name is Leo Francis, URCase 24CO 2005. This is Database Management System Laboratory, experiment number 8, triggers. So the main objective of this program is to understand how triggers work in a database and how they help in maintaining data integrity and consistency. So in database management system, maintaining accurate and consistent data is very important. Sometimes we need certain actions to happen automatically whenever a specific event occurs in a database. So this is achieved using triggers. A trigger is a specific type of stored program that automatically executes in response to events such as insert, update, or delete in a table. So triggers are widely used for enforcing rules, validating data, and maintaining integrity without requiring manual intervention. So in this experiments, we created tables and applied different types of triggers to control and validate database operations. So first we have created tables course, fees paid, and inquiry. And after that, we use trigger for course code validation. So this trigger ensures that only valid course codes are inserted into a table. So if an invalid value is entered, the trigger prevents the operation. So this helps maintain data accuracy. So the next is restricting DML operation for a specific user. So we created a trigger to restrict operations like insert, update, and delete for a particular user such as student 1. This improves security and access control within the database. So another important trigger is restrict insert on fees paid. So this trigger prevents invalid or unauthorized insertion of data into the fees table, ensuring that only valid transactions are recorded. So we also implemented a function to calculate total amount collected, which can be used along with triggers to automatically compute values whenever the data changes. So the next one is restrict inquiry date. So this trigger ensures that only valid dates are entered in the inquiry table. If the date does not meet the required connection, the operation is rejected. We also created a trigger to restrict invalid update. This prevents users to modifying data in a valid that violates business rules or constricts. So the finally, we observe how table behaves after applying every triggers, ensuring that only valid and authorized operations are performed. So these examples clearly demonstrate how trigger works in SQL. So this is experiment number 8. Thank you.